welcome. I'm Bluntz. Today we're going to be making an American staple. I'm stuck inside right now because it's quarantine time, but I'm thinking about summertime and the kind of stuff I'm going to make when I'm outside and possibly grilling or for like a barbecue or something like that. So today we're going to make burgers. And I got it all right here. So sit back, relax, take some notes if you want to, and enjoy this episode of Mo Cooks. So I've had a special request today to make mushroom and Swiss burgers, so that's what you're gonna watch me do. So here's some mushroom and Swiss ideas for you. We're gonna start with 2 buns, because we're making 2 burgers. I'm gonna chop up 4 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna chop up about a half a cup of shroomies. I'm gonna need 2 slices of Swiss cheese. I'm gonna cut up a half of an onion. I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna use 2 beef patties. And I got some special seasoning I'm gonna use on those beef patties, you'll see. So today I'm going to be making 2 burgers because I'm making one for my girlfriend. She's kind of the boss. She also chose what kind of burger I'm making. So today we're also going to be making mushroom and Swiss burgers. She's the boss. So you get to see a lot of what she wants. Alright, here we go. So what I'm going to start by doing here is I'm going to start by chopping up my veggies. And I'm going to throw them all in the same bowl. I'm going to start with my garlic. And I'm going to do about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, depending on how large they are. Get them finely minced. Toss them in the bowl. Try to get them as thin as I can. Okay, next I'm going to chop up my half of an onion, and I'm going to save the other half for a different meal, but I'm going to do the onion in kind of a special way. You'll see. Alright, here's my trick. First I'm going to get the rest of the skin out. Oh yeah, that's how you pop out those rings. I want to get them a little bit thinner though. You don't need a whole lot. Just enough for 2 sandwiches. Oh yeah. That's how you get them sandwich type rings. Saute those up with our shroomies. Toss those in the bowl. Pop them out as we go. Easy peasy. Real quick way to cut an onion. So let's get ready to chop up some mushrooms. I'm just gonna pile them up. Just chopping them out. Do another quick once over. Get these inside my bowl. Alright, next step I'm going to get the meat ready. I'm going to get another plate out so I can start putting my seasoning onto the burger patties. Let's get that going. So here I got my burger patties, I got my shallow little dish, and I got my seasoning. I'm using the steak seasoning that I got at Lowry Hill Meats in Minneapolis. Really awesome butchered meat shop. And the seasoning is amazing. It's gonna go great on these burgers. So I just wash my hands. Make sure you always wash your hands before you touch any meat product. I am going to put some of this seasoning inside of this here dish. About a teaspoon, I'd say, to start. maybe a little more in a minute. Spread it out a little bit. I'm going to take my burger patty and I'm going to cover the burger patty with this. You know, all nice and evenly rubbed on there. And then I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to do it again to the next one. Nice and evenly rubbed, getting enough seasoning on all sides of the burger patties. If I want to add more, I can do so later on. Alright, so we've completed the preparation part of the burger. Now we're going to move on to the cooking part of the burger. Let's do it.
When is the video going to be done?
When the burgers are done. You want to be in the video?
I don't.
Oh man. Alright, so we're on the cooking side. I got a spoon and I got a spatula. And I have 2 skillets. Those are going to be my tools. So I'm going to start with the burger patties. Burger patties are going to go into my larger skillet and I'm going to saute my vegetables in the smaller skillet. So I'm going to take about a dollop of butter. Ends up being about half a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. I like a lot of butter because butter is delicious. And I'm going to put about a dollop in each pan. I'm going to set both of my front burners to medium high. I'm going to let these butter pads melt a little bit. I want to get the bottom of both pans coated in butter. Alright, I'm going to toss in my veggies. And once they're in the dish, I'm going to just turn this down just a touch. About medium. Burgers are going down. Now from here on out, just washing both of them. Making sure nothing burns. Making sure everything's getting cooked evenly. If you can do 2 things at once, you can make some really awesome burgers. We like our burgers cooked medium here. If you want a well done burger, you can blast it with heat, get it nice and crispy, but that's not how we do it in our household. Smells freaking awesome. Looking freaking awesome too. Give this one more flip and see how we're looking. Alright, and it's looking like we timed this out pretty good with our vegetables. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Move these burger patties off to the side here. Make some room for the buns. Get the buns on the same level with those burgers. Same heat, same flavor. I'm gonna let those buns sit for just a minute. I'm gonna turn my burner off on the veggies. I'm gonna take these buns off, get them ready on the plates. Oh yeah, see, it's nice and toasty. That's what you want. I'm gonna turn my burner off. Let that one last little tiny flip. This is going down. Cheese immediately. This one's going down. Cheese immediately. Alright. Veggie time. Dumping some veggies on there. Yum. Get enough onions, get enough shroomies. And just make sure it's constructed nicely. Always wash your hands before you touch food. Wash your hands. The cat's in my chair today, so I'm gonna sit here. Time to try our burgers. Lots of onion, nice and gooey. That's pretty good. Mushroom Swiss was a good call. The steak seasoning on the burger patty was a great call. The cat's awake, so that probably is a good sign. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Mo Bluntz. You're watching Mo Cooks. Let's cook something new together.